I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Nissan X-Trail. So at the moment it's on radio. So if we go to menu, click menu, you've got phone set up, and there you go, if your speed volume beep. So if it's not on phone setup straight away, just turn this dial in the center onto phone setup, then click the middle for enter. You've got paired list, pair phone, delete phone, Bluetooth. I'm assuming if we click on Bluetooth there, you've got on and off. So if you can't connect your phone, do the same thing, make sure that Bluetooth is on. So we'll enter Bluetooth on, then we want to go back to delete phone, enter, Barry's iPhone there, click on that, delete, and again you've got yes. If you go on the wrong one, you can just move that to no, but it is yes, phone deleted. That's it, simple as that.